And there we go, just like that. All the mess is cleaned up instantly. Saran wrap is amazing. Now that my workspace is clean, I'll show you the finished product. There we go. I ended up putting 5 layers of that super sheen on it. The less you put on it, the more satin it'll look, but the more you put on it, the better water protectant it will be. I also finished the key fob, the keychain, and I sealed it as well, both front and back. And I'll show you how I'm going to assemble that in just a bit. I'm going to focus on this checkbook cover first so that we can get it finished. On the back, of course, I had all that mess of cardboard, but luckily we're going to be able to hide it real soon. I'm going to show you what else came in the kit. We have the inner liner that came with it. Luckily all of our holes are already made. Then we have the 2 pockets that will not be glued but only laced in place with the liner. And of course it came with a lace needle and lace. So now let's get started with the contact cement. The contact cement that comes in our kit does not have a brush, so I have pulled one of these little craft sponges out, and I'm going to assume that it wouldn't be a bad idea to wet it with water before you use it, just like we did with the sponges and with the sealants. So I'm going to try that. Squeeze all the water out, and then we're going to, since it's contact cement, we're going to apply this to both this part and the liner. Oh no, I already got it on the inside. Water base means while it's wet, you can clean it off. I guess that's one good thing about this stuff right here. Okay, and now it's just, oh no, to let it dry. Alrighty, the contact cement is mostly dry. I'm going to see if we can get these two stuck together. Just have to be very careful and try to line up all of the holes so that we don't have to make new ones. Well, I did try, but it seems as if it doesn't fit quite right, so I'm going to have to trim it off. And if I have to, I have an awl and I can make those holes. This is a very thin liner. It shouldn't be a problem at all. So there we have it. We just contact cemented it. So now the inside is sealed and we're ready to start lacing. Well, for now I'm just going to use this nylon cutting board as my surface for cutting. Don't want to mess up my granite in case my blade makes some marks. So I'm just going to trim this off. Now I'm not even going to try to imagine that I have any clue what I'm doing on this because it's totally new. So this is a needle, and I forgot what it's called, but it's a double prong needle. So it seems that they do want me to put some contact cement on these edges to keep these pockets in place. Now I just wait for both this and the outsides to dry, and we'll stick them together, and hopefully by that time I've figured out how to do the lacing. Alrighty, let's stick these together. I'm going to be following this book. They have a lacing what we're doing is we're doing double loop lacing, so they've got a reference that should make sense. Let's see, we start at the first hole. Now the lace has a shiny side that's supposed to be on the outside, and then on the inside it's flat. So you want the round side to be coming over the top always. Finally got the lacing going. That beginning kind of confused me, but now I just gotta do it over and over again. Well, I now know how they wanted me to join it. They wanted me to put a new piece of lace in here with like 3/4 of this tail sticking out, and only on the back side. So then I tucked it in there, and now I'm supposed to use this and lace over until I get into this hole that's the other half of the hole that I sent that other one into. And trim. There we have it. Checkbook cover is complete. I finished. This is where we finished and started, but other than that everything looks the same. There we go. 100% done. I'm kind of proud of myself, and now it's on to the next one. Well, I'll finish the checkbook. Now, to finish this keychain, kit comes with a rivet, and let's see how this works. These two holes, we have them line up, so we fold it over, put the pretty side over here, then we put the base piece, put the ring through, put the base piece that has the hole in the bottom, line it up, comes with this setter, and give it one good whack. Didn't whack it hard enough. I'll have to give it a real good whack. There we go. It's been assembled. So the keychain's done, checkbook's done, and now I can move on with my own projects. Thanks for watching.